More news coming in. Shiv Sena ready for Fadnavis, it seems, as the Chief Minister. Massive indication by top Shinde loyalists. Shiv Sena says Shinde will abide by Modi and Shah. No displeasure in Shiv Sena. State set for Fadnavis's big return as the CM is what it appears like right now.
एक मत से सब होगा और एक मत से सरकार चलेगी। किसी को भी कोई भी नाराजी नहीं रहेगी। जो भी पक्ष सृष्टि निर्णय लेंगे, शिंदे साहब ने क्लियर कट बोला है कि जो भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब, अमित शाह साहब जो भी कहेंगे उनको वो मान्य रहेगा।
All right, so that's an indication from a top leader of the Shiv Sena talking about the fact that Eknath Shinde is going to be abiding by Modi and Amit Shah, which is in fact a reference to the fact that they will be supporting Devendra Fadnavis as the CM. There is no displeasure in Shiv Sena. What it appears is that this dispute, or rather this discussion on Devendra Fadnavis as the next Chief Minister, the debate rather, has been settled. The stage is set for Fadnavis's big return as the CM is what it looks like. Vidya getting in more details in the big story. Vidya, it does appear that the Shiv Sena essentially now is clear about the fact that making noise about Eknath Shinde returning as the Chief Minister isn't something that is going to cut ties. Also, that may be not too practical given the sheer numbers, these elections. And that's the reason why maybe time to settle down and accept Devendra Fadnavis as the Chief Minister.
Because the history of a few years now, in 2019 when the party did not come to power, it actually later on in 2022 gave the power to Eknath Shinde just to keep the alliance together. And that sacrifice of Devendra Fadnavis, who had actually been projected as a Chief Minister.
All right, listening to the top leaders of the Shiv Sena about what they have to say about Devendra Fadnavis taking over.
एक मत से सब होगा और एक मत से सरकार चलेगी। किसी को भी कोई भी नाराजी नहीं रहेगी। जो भी पक्ष सृष्टि निर्णय लेंगे, शिंदे साहब ने क्लियर कट बोला है कि जो भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब, अमित शाह साहब जो भी कहेंगे उनको वो मान्य रहेगा।
Vidya is back with us with the very latest. Vidya, it does appear the decks are clear for Devendra Fadnavis to then take over.
Well, it's actually for the BJP top leaders to make the announcement. But yes, there is a formal announcement that everyone's really waiting for. And everyone's really hoping. The BJP workers have been stating that it should be Devendra Fadnavis. Though, we never know with the BJP top notch is what they believe is probably they could come up with another name. But the sentiments of most of the BJP workers in Maharashtra is that Devendra Fadnavis should be the Chief Minister for the simple fact that this entire majority this coup that had BJP had undertaken, wherein almost every seat is almost won by them, over 130 MLAs they have. So that is the reason why the BJP should make Devendra Fadnavis as the Chief Minister. But a formal announcement of who the Chief Minister will really be, that's something that everyone's really waiting for. But remember, earlier we did see Ajit Pawar actually almost giving up his stake, though his party workers were stating that he should be the chief minister at least once. Similarly, we have seen Eknath Shinde faction leaders also stating that their leader should be the chief minister. But over the days we have seen the entire tone and tenor of these political leaders from these smaller factions really of the alliance really coming down a little, and it does seem like the BJP will be the only deciding authority now as to who the chief minister will be, and it could be from the BJP is what every BJP worker really hopes for.
All right. So what do we expect now? How is today going to look like as far as a collective decision and then the announcement of the name perhaps of Devendra Fadnavis is concerned? Vidya, what are you picking up?
remember, there is one important aspect that is still remaining, and that is the legislative party meeting of the BJP. Eknath Shinde has been elected. There was a meeting of the Eknath Shinde faction leaders. Another faction of the Ajit Pawar faction of the legislative party meet has happened. They have chosen Ajit Pawar. Similarly, a meeting of the BJP legislative is still pending. They haven't done it. They were supposed to do it yesterday. That did not happen. Now it's being said that it could happen by tomorrow or today itself. So, that is an important juncture which will basically decide who the, legislative party leaders are electing as their top-notch leader to head the party in Maharashtra, and, who could be heading the party. So, who they repose their faith in. All these are formal announcements that need to be done before a decision of this sort could be conveyed to the top-notch office, people from the BJP. So, one of the reasons why this entire announcement is actually formally pending is because there are these meetings which are supposed to happen, are yet to happen. One is the legislative party meet of the BJP, and apart from that, the parliamentary board meeting wherein Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar, top leaders of BJP, they all have to sit together and decide who the chief minister should be. So that's one of the reasons, and that this entire decision is still pending, but it could happen by today or by tomorrow is what the BJP leaders are talking about.
All right, Vidya getting us up to speed with those details. Just coming back to you in a moment from now. Be with us, Vidya. Listening to Deepak Karsarkar on what he's had to say about Shiv Sena now abiding by the decision that has been taken by the Mahayuti collectively. He's going to abide by Modi and Amit Shah, is what he said. Listen in.
एक मत से सब होगा और एक मत से सरकार चलेगी। किसी को भी कोई भी नाराजी नहीं रहेगी। जो भी पक्ष श्रेष्ठी निर्णय लेंगे, शिंदे साहब ने क्लियर कट बोला है कि जो भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब, अमित शाह साहब जो भी कहेंगे उनको वो मान्य रहेगा।
All right, so a decision is going to be almost now is final, is what we are picking up, is what is evident. There is no disgruntlement within the Shiv Sena. They aren't unhappy and they're accepting Devendra Fadnavis. Stage, it seems, is ready and set for the return of Devendra Fadnavis as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. For the moment, Eknath Shinde has resigned and will continue as the caretaker Chief Minister, as is the protocol, and a decision has been taken is what it appears. There is no displeasure in Shiv Sena, says a prominent Shiv Sena leader, saying that, or indicating rather, that the stage is set for Devendra Fadnavis to return as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.